The arrival of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is now an absolutely monumental event on the compact vlogging camera landscape, signaling what could be the most aggressive technology leap in the entire portable gimbal camera category, pushing the boundaries of what a pocket-sized filmmaking tool is capable of, especially with the latest image leak from a prominent industry source, giving the cinematic content creation community its clearest look yet at the next-generation device, which is now firmly anticipated for a global debut around December 18, 2025, a date that has become a flashpoint for YouTube creators, travel filmmakers, and mobile videographers planning their ultimate gear upgrade cycle, creating an undeniable, tangible sense of rising excitement that has been further stoked by multiple sightings of DJI personnel engaging in field testing of Pocket 4 prototypes in real-world scenarios, suggesting the official product launch cycle is not merely imminent but is entering its final, critical stages of preparation, stacking these Osmo Pocket 4 leaks and beta test sightings alongside the verifiable improvements expected under the hood, making this feel less like a minor revision and more like a gimbal camera revolution destined to define the best compact camera of 2025 and beyond, particularly as the 4K vlogging market demands increasing levels of professional video quality from minimal footprints, where the core of the immense anticipation is centered squarely on the entirely re-engineered imaging sensor system. The predecessor, the Osmo Pocket 3, set a high bar, captivating users with its relatively large 1-inch sensor that unlocked genuinely impressive low-light performance and dynamic range for such a tiny chassis. But the leaked Pocket 4 images reveal a truly game-changing innovation. A dual-camera setup mounted directly onto the incredibly stable, next-generation 3-axis mechanical gimbal, an unprecedented arrangement for this form factor that immediately suggests an exponential increase in creative flexibility and filmmaking versatility, possibly enabling instant switching between a wide-angle lens and a standard focal length, capturing simultaneous multi-angle footage, or utilizing the combined data from both lenses, including the potential telephoto module, to execute advanced computational photography techniques to dramatically enhance HDR video capture and further reduce noise in challenging low-light shooting conditions. Especially when factoring in the rumored video specifications like stunning 6K resolution recording at full 10-bit color depth for ultimate cinematic color grading freedom, alongside ultra-high frame rate 4K video at 240 frames per second, which instantly elevates the Pocket 4 into a league of its own, capable of producing ultra-smooth slow-motion clips and incredibly sharp video detail that could genuinely challenge the output of significantly larger and more expensive mirrorless cameras or professional cinema cameras in portability-critical scenarios, an evolution that extends to the physical Pocket 4 body design, which appears to be subtly yet significantly evolving from the successful Pocket 3 blueprint that offered the celebrated rotating touchscreen and a comfortable, ergonomic vlogging grip for effortless one-handed operation, with reports suggesting the Osmo Pocket 4 will be marginally larger, an entirely justified trade-off to accommodate the groundbreaking second lens and the likely more robust, high-performance internals required to process 6K video and 4K 240 frames per second in real time, with additional leaks pointing towards the integration of a possible second display panel on the device's front, which would revolutionize selfie framing, monitoring, and quick mode switching for solo creators, all while DJI is expected to have optimized the device's thermal management system to prevent overheating during extended, high-resolution recording sessions, and to have tightened the overall ergonomics and physical controls, likely introducing new hardware shortcut buttons to streamline the creator workflow, ensuring the Pocket 4 maintains its iconic pocket-friendly form factor while feeling like an undeniably more refined, professional-grade compact video device. But the true headline-making shift remains in the video capabilities, where the leap beyond the Pocket 3's already excellent 4K per 60 frames per second and rock-solid mechanical stabilization is staggering, with 6K offering unprecedented flexibility for REFR aiming, cropping in post-production, and extracting high-resolution photo stills, and the 4K 240 frames per second enabling truly cinematic slow motion, all benefiting from enhanced 10-bit D-Log-M color profiles for maximum grading potential, significantly improved low-light image quality thanks to an upgraded sensor, and a new generation hybrid stabilization system that expertly fuses the ultra-precise 3-axis gimbal with advanced electronic image stabilization to deliver footage of hyper-smooth clarity even during intense action or movement, ultimately resulting in output that looks visibly more professional and broadcast-ready than anything previously seen from a device this small. With the anticipated feature upgrades focusing on enhancing the creator ecosystem established by the Pocket 3, which already included essential tools like seamless wireless microphone support, lightning-fast autofocus, rumored to be ActiveTrack 6.0 or even 7.0 with enhanced eye tracking and object prediction, dependable subject tracking, and rapid toggling between vertical video and horizontal video orientation. But the Pocket 4 is poised to introduce revolutionary functionality built around its multi-lens architecture, such as smarter, AI-driven subject tracking that uses depth data from both lenses, genuinely improved onboard audio capture via a new microphone array with better noise cancellation, faster and more reliable wireless connectivity, and entirely new creative shooting modes like a seamless picture-in-picture video mode, instant, non-digital lens switching for rapid changes in perspective, or advanced composite modes that intelligently blend the imagery from both cameras for enhanced depth of field or Super HDR results. All features that would be transformational for travel vloggers, lifestyle creators, and anyone seeking a high-end, all-in-one content solution, with the current industry price prediction positioning the base model DJI Osmo Pocket for somewhere in the premium range of $599 to $699, which is a strategic price point, especially considering the recent, substantial Pocket 3 discounts indicating inventory clearance, and the extensive list of rumored technological improvements, including the dual-lens system, 6K video, and next-level stabilization, easily justifies this slightly elevated cost for the best vlogging camera of the year. While the Pocket 3 remains a phenomenal, now budget-friendly choice for high-quality video with its 1-inch sensor and superior gimbal smoothness compared to most action cameras. And although competitors like GoPro and Insta360 offer compelling alternative perspectives and ruggedness, no current rival truly matches the combination of a mechanical gimbal with this level of extreme portability and rumored professional video specification. Concluding that if the deluge of reliable DJI Osmo Pocket 4 leaks holds true, delivering a dual-lens flagship, a significantly redesigned body with improved ergonomics, true 6K resolution, revolutionary low-light video performance, and smarter AI tracking built upon its dual-camera hardware, this device will not merely be the most exciting compact camera of 2025, but a genuine compact camera killer, forever altering expectations for handheld cinematic video and cementing DJI's dominance in the portable filmmaking space, making the rapidly approaching launch date a moment of feverish anticipation for the future of video content creation.